Yung contentment, yung maiwas ka sa covetousness, hindi yan obvious sa lahat. It is a secret that you should know and learn. Paano ka naging kontento? Secret. Di ba? Ibig sabihin, kailangan alamin mo talaga yung sasadyain mong alamin. Sasadyain mong matutunan. Kasi secret nga eh. Hindi yan madali. I know how to get along with humble means. I know how to live in prosperity. In any and every circumstance, I have learned the secret of being filled and going hungry, both of having abundance and suffering need. Paano? Ano yung sikreto, Paul? Hindi na. Sirit na. Ito, I can do all things through Him who strengthens me. Unless you find your satisfaction in Jesus Christ, you'll never understand what satisfaction really means. Nagkakanindihan tayo. Kaya ang tao, habang lumalayo kay Jesus, lalo silang na-frustrate sa buhay. Because nothing else can ever satisfy our God-shaped vacuum. Because that is only fitting for God.